Kevin Momanyi. I am the territory business lead for Safaricom. I am based in Homa Bay and Kisii currently. So today we are going around because of pesa Sokoni. We are engaging our customers because we have matured up to 18 years since pesa started. And the idea is for us to engage our customers and to tell them about the values and whatever else we have put in pesa. So pesa started where you could send money and receive money. But now we have had other issues that we brought into the pesa ecosystem. We have Pochi la Biashara, we have Lipa na Mpesa. Those are payment platforms. If you want to pay for something that you want to buy in a supermarket, you can see there is Mpesa, Lipa na Mpesa. So that is also built within the ecosystem of Mpesa. We are also talking about fraud awareness. The people should be able to keep their pins, Mpesa pin, securely, and also you should not be able to pick any call from people who want to defraud you. So please be careful, keep your pin. Mpesa is safe, it is secure. Once you have money there, it is always secure. And then the other thing I wanted to talk is that we will be going around this market. We started today in Kisii. We are here at Keroka. We are going to Jebilat, to Ikonge, and then we end up at Nyamira for the day. And then tomorrow we'll be heading to Kisumu and those areas of Kakamega and Bungoma. So I urge our customers to opt in. If you are a mamamboga, you are a boda rider, you can opt in to Pochi la Biashara so that you can be able to separate your money. Pochi is able to separate your money and your Mpesa money and the business money. You can also be able to be signed up on Lipa na Mpesa so that you can be able to use that in doing your business. Again, Lipa na Mpesa has other issues. You can be able to get a loan, taasi loan. You can be able to do fuliza for biashara. So it means we have brought many issues, many solutions that can be able to support you as a business person, so long as you're using Mpesa.